Today we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to make a lovely sweet sherbet. So these are the things that we're going to need today. We're going to need some jelly, we're going to need some icing mixture, our friend the citric acid, and lovely bicarb soda. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to make our sherbet. So firstly we are going to need our citric acid. And we're going to need 1 teaspoon. So a teaspoon's the little one. Okay, so we'll do 1 teaspoon, just a rough teaspoon. Now we're going to need 2 tablespoons, so the bigger spoon, of icing sugar. Okay, so 1, 2. Right, next we're going to need 3 tablespoons of jelly crystals. So this is your packet of jelly, so when you open it up, they're just tiny little crystals. Alright, so we're doing strawberry today. So that's 1, 2, 3, and lastly, we need a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so that's all our ingredients. Let's mix it all in and stir it up. So as you can see, it makes quite a lot, doesn't it? Just make sure you stir in all the lumps. And there we go, we have sherbet. Enjoy. Very easy to make.
In our next workshop, we'll be making these delicious chocolate crackles. To make these chocolate crackles, you'll need some rice bubbles, some chocolate, and some patty cake papers. We'll see you then.